Let us look at how to cut vegetables for fried rice. We will be looking at all vegetables we can use for fried rice, but we'll start with carrot. Hold the carrot vertically and slice it into half. In case we've got an uneven cut, we slice this further into one more half. We then vertically slit each of these pieces. The thinner these slits are, the finer or smaller the carrots would then get cut into. It is now ready to be chopped into fine carrot pieces. You can of course vary the quantity depending on the quantity of fried rice being prepared. Next we'll look at beans. We will take out the stalk part both at the top and the bottom and chop them as finely as we chopped the carrots. Chopped beans is now ready. Next we will look at cabbage. Let us take 1/4 of the cabbage and start slicing it vertically like you see. We will then finely chop this cabbage. Again, the quantities can vary as per the quantity of the fried rice being prepared. Next we look at capsicum. We initially chop off the top crown part and then slice it into half. We remove the seeds in the capsicum and start slicing them vertically as you see in the video. We then have to chop them finely just as we did for the carrots and cabbage. The capsicum is now ready. Next we look at the onions. We again remove the top hard part or the crown part of the onions and vertically slit them. This will help us get the onions as fine as we did for carrots as well as the beans. Now the onions are ready. Next we will look at garlic. Garlic again we need to slit them from the middle as you see and then finely chop them so that they can be used into the fried rice. Vegetables for fried rice chopped and ready.